Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, a massive thank you to my 1k subscribers. I can't express how grateful I am for the love and support you all have shown me. And now let's start the video. Hope you will enjoy this one. Today I woke up early in the morning and it was raining heavily. There was snowfall in Manali since last night, but my house is not in the high mountains, so here it is just raining. But if it rains continuously for 2 to 3 days, then snowfall will definitely occur here. And then I came back inside and I grabbed a cup of tea, which really helps me to find this cold morning. It's 8 in the morning and I'm starting my study session. But first thing first, being productive for me is to write a to-do list along with a column of water track and how much money I spent today.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake.
You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different colors, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why.